Good day, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about a serious issue in our country: corruption in flood control project here in the Philippines. Flooding is one of the most common problems that many Filipinos faces, especially during the rainy season and the typhoons. Because of this, the government allocates a large amount of money for flood control projects such as drainage system, dikes, pumping station, and the river improvements. These projects are meant to protect communities, reduce damage, and save lives. However, despite the large budget for flood control, many areas in the Philippines still experience severe flooding. One reason behind this is corruption. In some cases, funds intended for the flood control are not used properly. Some projects are poorly constructed, delayed, incomplete, or even questionable. As a result, the people do not fully benefit from the project that were supposed to help them. Corruption in flood control project is a serious problem because it not only involves the misuse of public funds, but also affect the safety and welfare of many Filipinos. When flood control project fails, homes are damaged, roads become impassable, classes are suspended, and the families are placed at risk. In some cases, lives are even lost because of flooding that could have been prevented. This issue reminds us that corruption was real consequence. It is not only about money, it is about public trust, people's safety, and the future of our communities. That is why government officials, contractors, and agencies must be transparent, accountable, and honest in handling flood control projects. At the same time, citizens should remain aware, demanding proper action from those in power. In the end, flood control project should protect the people, not be used for personal gain. If we truly want a safer and better Philippines, we must fight corruption and make sure that public funds are used for the public goods. Thank you.